Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming battery levels. If the case LED is amber, charge for 10-15 minutes to avoid interrupted pairing. Once ready, open the case and keep the buds inside. Your phone should detect them automatically. If nothing appears, press and hold the case button to force pairing mode. This toggles the earbud's Bluetooth beacon. Then, on your phone, enable Bluetooth, choose JBL Live Pro 2, and wait for the connected confirmation tone. This establishes the primary link. Once connected, install the JBL app to access equalizer, firmware, and touch controls. This gives you control over sound signature and feature updates. Make sure to update firmware right away. Updates fix latency and stability issues. Next, customize left/right ear behavior and assign voice assistant activation. Doing this makes your daily use smoother. If you want two devices connected, enable multipoint in settings, or pair the second device through its Bluetooth menu. Multipoint maintains calls on one. Finish by testing active noise canceling and ambient modes. Cycle between them to ensure microphones and ANC circuitry respond correctly. Make a test call and play music to confirm mic and stereo balance. If something fails, perform a factory reset. Place earbuds in the case and hold the setup button for about 10 seconds, then repair. Also, check for firmware updates. Reduce Bluetooth interference by moving away from crowded Wi-Fi or microwaves, and keep the source within reasonable range to avoid dropouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.